The last type of multiplication that we cover in this section looks at problems that require some extra steps. So in this 95, we're doing n plus 2 to the third power. So what they're saying is take n plus 2 and multiply it by itself a total of 3 times. Okay. So the way that we're going to do that is by FOILing these first two together and then taking that answer and multiplying it by this last number, much as you would need to if they ask you to take 12 and cube it. You would be multiplying 12 times 12, getting an answer of 144, and then taking 144 and multiplying it by 12 again. So using what we know about FOIL, this special case with n plus 2 is going to give us an n squared and a plus 4 for our first and last terms, and then in the middle 2n times 2, which is 4n. Then when we multiply that by another n plus 2, we get 8n, 2n squared, our placeholder 0, and then 4n squared, and n cubed, with all of our terms being positive, for a final answer of 8, 12n here, 6n squared, and an n cubed. The same would apply if we are working with the difference in a binomial. It is also 3v minus 2 times 3v minus 2 times 3v minus 2. So following the pattern that we know for squaring the binomials, we're going to end up with 9v squared and a plus 4 over here, and then 3 times negative 2 gives me a negative 6v, and when I double that, it's a negative 12v. Then I multiply that by my final 3v minus 2 to get a negative 8, a positive, 24. Sorry about that. Make that dark so you can tell what it says. A positive 24v and a negative 18v squared. The placeholder 0. Make that look more like a v, less like a y. There we go. And then 3 times 4 is going to give me 12v, a negative 36v squared, and a positive 27v cubed. Adding everything together, negative 8, positive 36v, a negative, 36, 46, 54, 50, having number dyslexia today, v squared, and a positive 27v cubed. And that's the end of section 6.2.